It's my birthday! The shops have been open for all of one day, so I'm gonna go art supply shopping. Art supply shopping, yay! Seriously, it's one of the things I've missed most in lockdown. People? Psh, no, art supply shopping. I thought it'd be fun to do a little haul because I have an actual haul. It wasn't even as bad as I thought. Like, I was like looking at the basket thinking, oh my god, it's gonna be so expensive. But it was alright. Anyway, so let's have a little look. I spent most on paper. This is pretty much like a sketchbook and paper haul, but I got a few other things as well. So let's start with these fun little clips. I always get very jealous when I see people clip open their art journals for photos with cute little bulldog clips, so I thought I would get some. I got a Stabilo Woody to add to my collection. I didn't have this color yet. I got some washi tape. I kind of regret getting this one now. I got this white one with a black grid, but I think I might have preferred the black one. Like, it's like a black grid, but I can get that one next time. Gives me an excuse to go back. A turquoisey one and a I'm so bad at describing things, but and this one. Then what did I get? I got some Winsor Newton acrylic paints. I think these are their student grade ones, but I'm quite, it's like, you know, whatever. I got the pale rose blush, I got the Naples yellow, and I got the powder blue. And shout out to Winsor Newton for renaming this color, because this used to be called flesh tint and it is now called pale rose blush, so yay for stuff like that. Let's see, I got this Ecoline brush pen. They're like water soluble brush pens and I quite like them. Funny, because I obviously have been going on about not liking Tombos, but this is the same concept as a Tombow, and yet it kind of works for me, so whatever, I don't know why. I got some colored pencils. These are Faber-Castell Polychromos. I got one in light cobalt turquoise, Payne's grey, and dark indigo. These are like, I guess, I mean, they're not cheap, but they're budget friendly. I also saw some Derwent color pencils. I don't remember what they're called now, but they look really, the display made it look as if they're like super expensive, and they were £4 each, £4 for one pencil. And I tried them and they were really creamy and nice, but I was like, I don't want to spend £4 per pencil, especially when it felt and looked as if they were kind of similar to, oh, what are those pencils called? The American ones. Prismacolor. They felt and looked similar to Prismacolor, and I know that Prismacolors are, you know, they're in the same league as the Polychromos, and so spending £4 on a pencil seems just a bit ridiculous. Okay, and then I got this Pentel brush pen. I've never used anything like this, but I do quite like to do line work, and I mean, no, I don't quite like to do line work, but I want to get into it a bit more. And I do like to use kind of a brush and ink, but I love actually using a pen. And most pens are too dry to really do, like, I have good control over like thin and thick lines and stuff. So I thought something that has actual like ink fillings would be cool. Okay, let's move on to the paper items now. These are the things I got. So first of all, I got this pad of Fabriano paper. It is 200 GSM drawing paper, but I have always found this to work really well for mixed media, and it can pretty much take anything I throw at it. So it's a pad of 50 pages, and it's really quite good value. Hang on a minute while I tell my kids to shut the fuck up. Where were we? Okay, I got these De La Rowney paper pads. They're just like A5, and they were on sale for like 75p each. They were like one of those till sale items where the person at the till goes like, "Oh, we've got this on offer. Do you want it?" And I'm usually like, "No, no, no." But I was like, "Hello, 30-page paper pads for 75p? Hello, yes." I think I've shown you that my sketchbook is nearly full, and so I got a new sketchbook. I usually went for the De La Rowney ivory sketchbooks, I think, but they're quite expensive for what they are, so I went for the Sea White of Brighton kind of hardback A5 sketchbook, so I will see how I get on with that. Then I got the Moleskine plain notebook. So this was inspired by Roxanne by Bun, because I just need to copy everything she does, because, you know, I just need to. And so it's got the thin paper, and I'm kind of, yeah, I'm curious about like kind of throwing some media at that and see how it stands up. And then this is a little bit of a left field item. I got this black sketchbook. So it's like I imagine I'm going to just use it as an art journal, but it's got black pages. So I am quite excited about that. This is a Sakura, which apparently are owned by Talons. So I didn't know that. So I'm quite excited about this because that's a little bit different from the usual stuff. It was funny because I was obviously art supply shopping whilst not needing anything, so I'm just going around the shop kind of going like, what do I want? But I don't need anything. So like I kind of feel like I can get anything, but I also kind of feel like, what am I getting these things for? Because I'm not getting them for a specific purpose. But I am quite excited. I'm excited about these paints, the powder blue. I kind of love these kind of neutral colors to then go next to these like fluorescent pinks or the really dark, deep reds that I use. I'm quite excited about that. Oh, and I almost forgot. So basically, because they've literally been closed since December, kind of lockdown is lifting in stages here, and since yesterday, shops are open again. So anything apart from, you know, supermarkets were open, but now things like art shops are open again, and to celebrate they were giving away goodie bags. So, whoops, it's hooked over my camera. Oh, it's all very professional. So they were giving away these goodie bags, and I didn't have very high expectations, but there's like loads of good stuff in here, like stuff that's worth quite a lot. So it includes some oil pastels, a Faber-Castell watercolor marker. That's pretty cool. Like I'm sure these are like £4 or something. Some Lyra pencils, a set of like different hardnesses or softnesses rather, B, 2B, 3B, etc. A pencil sharpener and an eraser. Another Pentel, what do you call this? A clicky pencil. What's a clicky pencil? A clicky pencil. A technical pencil. I'm like, as soon as I like start to like talk to the camera and have to explain things, I get like proper aphasia. A Pentel sign pen. I imagine that Pentel were like big sponsors of this. A Pro marker, a Winsor Newton Pro marker. A Uni paint marker in this interesting orangey flavor. A couple of Uni Ball Signo gel stick pens, a orange one and a blue one, so that's kind of fun. This is all great for like my pen paling stuff. And then two, I bet they didn't mean to put two in, two violet Uni Ball Signo pens and a palette knife. Oh, and I just noticed, what's this? Oh, it's a pencil sharpener. It just looked weird for a second. A pencil sharpener. So that was like the whole of the free goodies as well. I'm just going to put them back in here now. So I'm really excited. I'm just excited to try things out, like try loads of these new things, and it will just be fun. Yeah, you know, it's all toys, it's all things to play with.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mummy.
That's so cool.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, Iris.
Thanks, Ben.
And the things go downwards.
Yeah, they do.
When the 6 meets up, it will stop. And when the 3 gets to the end, it will stop.
You got my year, my age.
You got everything.
It's very nice.